Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test as well as audio test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription guideline. This will help you in audio test as well as MCQs test. To apply transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% using our guideline. So this guideline is very important. So after reading all these transcription guideline all the way to the end, so this will help you in MCQs test as well as audio test. So let's move first to MCQs test and start the MCQs test. First question is, if you cannot hear the specific term, you should. So you simply check in transcription guideline. If you cannot hear the word being said, mark that is unaudible or unintelligible. So according to the transcription guideline, first option is correct. The correct form of affirmation for full verbatim. So affirmation in full verbatim. So you simply check in Gotranscript guideline section, and here is affirmation. And this and this. So these form of affirmation are used in full verbatim. So according to this, first option is correct. Double quotation marks are used. So you simply check in transcription mark. Quotation mark, double marks are used whenever there is a direct quotation and used in internal dialogues. So according to the transcription guideline, for internal dialogue and whenever there is a direct quotation. So these two options are correct according to the transcription guideline of third question. If a speaker spell the word, how it will look like in the transcription? So simply check in transcription guideline, and if a speaker spell a word or a name, for example, my name is Anna, then Anna spell in this way: A dash and dash and dash A. So dash is used between the character. So according to the transcription guideline, first option is correct. What is the proper format of a speaker? Speaker label always written in bold font and also used this colon. So according to the transcription guideline, this option is correct. D option is correct. If you any doubt, you simply check in transcription guideline. So you see this David and use colon also and in bold font. So this is the correct format. And sixth question is, I have a dream to becoming a musician. So according to this, D option is correct. I have dream. So you simply check in transcription guideline also. So this sentence. So this word is used. And seventh question is, if you are working on a part of 5 to 15 minutes, time stamping every 30 seconds should start at. So 5 to 15 means start from 5. So E option is correct. And file or transcribe in. File or transcribe in. File or transcribe. File or transcribe in. Use US American spelling, only different spelling if a client asks. So, according to the transcription guideline, American English unless a client states otherwise. So, C option is correct according to the transcription guideline. Ninth question is there dash good books out there. There are. C option is correct. There are good books out there. Last question is what is the correct answer of this mathematical equation? 4 divided by 5 is equal to 0.8. 8 divided by 0.8 is equal to 10. And then 5 multiplied 4 is equal to 20. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. And 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 12 option is correct. This mathematical equation. You also solve this manually on paper. So 12 option is correct. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description and there is a link for audio test. So I hope this video is helpful for you and this help and please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.